Hello everyone! By the way, I am Trexizone, one of the Live Good Affiliate Pioneer. So nakikita mo itong bidyong to kasi baka naghahanap ka ng opportunity na pwedeng magbigay sa'yo ng magandang buhay or di kaya online business na pinagpipray mo na makakatulong sa'yo mabayaran ng mga bills mo, mga utang mo at magbigay sa'yo ng financial breakthrough. Well, nasa tamang opportunity ka, nasa tamang timing ka. Kasi yung bidyong to nakikita mo hindi siya aksidente, kundi isang blessing na matagal mo nang hinahanap. So, ngayon ituturo namin sa'yo paano at ano ang gagawin mo para kumita ka ng 6 digit, 7 digit a month dito sa Live Good. So, kung feeling mo para sa itong bidyong to, tapusin mo hanggang sa uli.
Yan nga po palang bahay namin dati. Every time nakikita ko tong litrato na to, naalala ko kung gaano kahirap ang buhay na meron kami dati. At dahil nga sa hirap ng buhay, hindi ko na natapos ang aking pag-aaral kasi kailangan kong rumakit, kailangan kong kumita ng pera para makatulong sa aking mga magulang. Ito nga po pala ako dati, mapapansin nyo na talaga galing sa mahirap na pamilya. Ngunit, nagbago ang lahat nung time na naipakilala sa akin at maituro ang online system kung paano makakapag-generate ng income sa online. At as of now, nararanasan ko na unti-unting gumiginawa ang buhay ko at unti-unting nakakamit ang mga bagay na gusto kong makuha. Kung mapapanood mo tong videong to or napapanood mo hanggang ngayon, gusto naming maituro din sa'yo para guminawa din ang takbo ng buhay mo. Kaya tapusin mo ang video hanggang sa dulo.
Hello everyone! By the way, this is your Coach Trex ang mag-i-explain sa inyo with regarding sa Live Good. Alright, sino nga ba si Live Good? Live Good is a US-based direct sales that focused on the wellness and digital services. Alright? So, Live Good is a club membership that pays, okay? You can earn money as a club member of Live Good whether or not you refer other members to the program. So, ibig sabihin, may invite ka man o wala, kikita ka dito kay Live Good. Alright? Unlike most home business opportunity, Live Good is not about overpriced product, but about saving people money on health product. If you have a passion for health and wellness, then this is for you. If you have a passion for helping people, well, this is for you again. If you are not looking for a get-rich-quick scheme, then this presentation is for you. Alright? So, 6 reasons why we join Live Good. Number 1, we have amazing product. Number 2, incredible prices. Number 3, no auto shipping. Alright? So, number 4, no monthly products to buy. Wala tayong mamantlihan dito na product para bumili. Ma-maintain natin yung account natin. Number 5, 90-day money back guarantee. Alright? At ito matindi, si Live Good is top 5 over 10,000 votes top direct selling compensation plan pool in 2023. Okay, at ito pa, the most trusted direct sales company pool 2023, top 1 po tayo. Kaya ganun po kaganda dito kay Live Good. Alright, so our mission, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. Okay? Ayan, sino nga ba yung mga may-ari? Our company owner, ang ating CEO, si CEO Ben Glensky. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. Alam ni Ben paano katulungan umangat ang buhay. Alright, so ito yung ating mga Live Good team. Ryan Goodkin, our Director of Product Development. Lisa Goodkin, okay, our Director of Product Education. Noder Kazan, our Director of Network Marketing. Okay, at ito matindi, we have over 15 life-changing product. Dito po, hindi po tayo compulsory na bibili ng product. Okay, kung gusto mo maging healthy, pwede kang bumili ng product. Okay, ayan, highest quality product, the purest, most nutritional ingredients from the most pristine location on the planet and world-class manufacturing facility. Okay, ito matindi, made in USA, approved by GMP, lab tested for purity and potency. Okay, wellness for all. Meron tayong men's health, skincare, immunity, nutrition, body cleansing, weight management, women's health, anti-aging, and energy. Okay, paano tayo mag-order ng product? Mabilis lang po. You can order as consumer or member. Consumer pay low prices, member pay low prices. Alright? Live Good member can save up to 75% compared to the product in other network marketing company. So makakasave ka dito ng 75%. Okay, Live Good is, just imagine, Live Good is also available in 200 countries nationwide. So makakapag-ship tayo in that country. So i-search nyo na lang yung country nyo dyan. Pwede kayong mapadalan dyan ng product kung mag-order kayo. Alright? Ayan. According to our Director of Network Marketing, si Noder Kazan. Okay? The days of selling overpriced product, so a few people to the top of compensation plan can get rich are over. So tinapos na yung Live Good. In short, lahat po tayo kikita. Alright? So, yan. Makikita nyo po yung illustration. Sige, fast forward natin. Okay, yan. Fast forward natin. Yan. Maunawaan nyo na lang po yan. Ayan. Makikita nyo po yung pinagkaiba. Price comparison. Okay, yung left side sa atin. Yung right side yung sa other company. Okay, yan. Yan yung po yung mga prices ng mga products natin. Sobrang mura. $70.95. Pag member ka, $9.95 lang. How to become an affiliate member? Paano ka magiging member? In short, register with your sponsor link, pay one time for $49.95, okay, okay, in your first month, and then in the next month and onwards, then you pay only $9.95. All right, so bakit may $9.95 membership? Kasi yung business natin, this is a subscription business. When we talk about subscription business, talaga pumuputok yung subscription business. Okay, I don't know if you know, Amazon Prime, Sam's Club, Netflix, Costco, Disney Prime, ayan, yung tubig, kuryente, internet, lahat po tayo dyan nagbabayad monthly. Pag hindi po tayo nagbayad, mapuputulan po tayo. Okay, yung tanong, kumikita ba tayo every time nagbabayad tayo? The answer is no, hindi tayo kumikita. Samantala kay Live Good, okay, yan, Netflix, oh, makikita nyo yung mga revenue nila, talaga. Okay, yan. Just imagine, samantala kay Live Good, mga partners, okay, dito, habang nagbabayad ka, kumikita ka. Ganun siya kaganda. Alright, so kailangan mo mapakinggan to. Paano ka kikita dito kay Live Good? Okay, Live Good affiliates, we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. So, pakinggan nyo hanggang sa dulo. Ano yung makukuha ko? You can access to the membership club, digital marketing products, participate in the compensation plan. Grabe, ano? Magkakaroon ka ng dito, website na. Kaya, the compensation plan structure will be powered by a powerful unilevel, okay, and a force matrix. When we say force matrix, hindi po tayo magde-decide kung saan natin ilalagay yung tao. The good thing of that force matrix kasi kung hindi tayo magde-decide, yung company magde-decide, lahat tayo malalagyan ng tao. Kaya ganun siya kaganda, lahat tayo mananalo dito. Okay? Ayan, 7 ways to earn. We have 7 ways to earn. Okay, number 1, we have weekly fast start bonus up to 10 levels deep. Okay, so ibig sabihin, bawat tao, madidirect mo rito, kikita ka ng $25. Yes, of course, $25 bawat isa. So makasampu ka, okay, 10 times 25, you have, magkano ba yon? $250. Oh my goodness, $250. So, ayan, bawi ka na sa punan mo. Alright, so weekly fast start, ito matindi. Ngayon lang ako makikita ng ganitong compensation plan sa buong planeta. Okay? Babayaran ka up to first level until 10th level, depende sa rank mo. So, ibig sabihin, pag yung direct mo may na-direct sa ibang kumpanya, hindi ka kumikita doon. Pero kay Live Good, yung direct mo, lahat ng direct mo, babayaran ka, okay, ng 10%, tagpa $5. Bawat isa, lahat ng direct mo, pag nag-direct to, babayaran ka $5. Yung direct mo, pag nag-direct, babayaran ko $2.50. Yung baba hanggang sa umabot ng 10th level. Ganun po siya kaganda. Alright, 2x15 matrix. So, lahat po tayo mapupunta sa 2x15 matrix na force matrix. Yung sinasabi ko kanina. Bawat tao na nasa baba mo, nakikita mo yung illustration, ito. Bawat tao na nasa baba mo, yan, babayaran ka ng 0.25 cent. Okay? So, pag napuno yung matrix, okay, napuno mo yung matrix, nako, okay, kikita ka monthly kung magkano yung nagsasubscribe sa baba. Monthly po yan. Just imagine, ito yung matrix. In your first level, you can earn up to 12 level yung mga unranked, yung mga walang na-invite, nakantay lang po ng spillover. Kikita ka po dyan ng $2,047 pag napuno yung matrix mo. Alright? So, pag umabot ka ng bronze, silver, 13th level, gold, platinum, 14th level, diamond, 15th level. So, your income is based on the rank you are. Okay? Next. Matching bonus, dito talaga ako na-excite. You know bakit ako na-excite dito? Kasi in matching bonus, okay, lahat ng direct mo, take note, lahat ng direct mo, kung magkano yung kikitain nila sa matching bonus, babayaran ka ng 50% ni company. Nagigets? 50%. Okay, just imagine, mayroon kang downline. Ito, pakita ko illustration ha. Okay, mayroon kang isang leader mo. Okay, kumita siya ng $1,000. Just imagine, may $1,000. Magkano 50%? May $500 ka na. Yung isa mong direct, kumita ng $500, may $250 ka. Just imagine yan. Oh, ito yung simple illustration nun. Nagkaroon ka ng 20 direct na tamad. So, ibig sabihin, walang na-recruit. Nag-antay lang ng direct referral. Ngayon, 2,047 yung kinita sa isang buwan. Okay, magkano 50%? Mayroon kang $1,023. Just imagine, 20,000 times 1,023, magkano kikitain mo sa isang buwan? Kumita ka ng $20,475 US. Magkano sa peso? That is 1.1 million in every single month. Kaya dito kami nabaliw. Diba? Just imagine, kung ito yung kikitain mo every month, talaga gagawin ko. Diba? 1.1 million every single month. Alright? So, just imagine, 30 direct. Sabihin natin, nangyari to in your 6 months dito kay Livegood or di kaya 1 to 2 years from now. Kumikita ka ng 5 million, buwan-buwan. Diba? Ano kayong buhay meron ka? Just imagine, 5 million every month. Ano kayang buhay na meron ka? Na-imagine mo yung magandang bahay, kotse. Wow. Diba? Livegood is very amazing. Kaya nga, sobrang nabaliw ako dito. Kahit nga ngayon, nababaliw ako sa pag-explain sa inyo eh. Ayan, so vision. Sabihin natin, 5 years from now. Kumikita ka 45 million. Hello? Just imagine 45 million and each month sa halagang $50 mo, ito yung pwede mong kitain. Ayan, 1,000. Sabihin natin 20 years from now, kumikita ka 168 million 20 years from now. Ano kayong buhay meron ka? Baka mamaya, di ba? Problema mo dati sa pera ngayon, problema mo paano maubos. Ganun siya kaganda. So, ibig sabihin, kung ganyan yung pwedeng mangyari sa atin in the next 20 years, in the next, di ba, ilang taon man. Okay, hanggang ngayon, kung yan yung pwedeng mangyari sa akin, talaga gagawin ko si Livegood. Walang problema sa 2,800, talaga gagawan ko ng paraan kung yan naman yung ikababago ng buhay ko. Alright? So, next, yan, matching yan. Sana tayo, parang bumalik. Okay, yan. Alright, so yan. O ito, imaginein mo ha. Isa sa mga top leaders ng Livegood sa matching bonus. Okay? Sa kanyang in the month of February 1 to February 28, kumita siya ng $6,000, 444. For the next month, kumita siya ng matching bonus, 14,270. For the next month, 24,554. So, ibig sabihin, lumalaki at lumalaki yung matching bonus dito. Okay? So, ganun siya kaganda. Nako, kung ganyan yung mangyayari sa akin, di ba, hindi ko na pag-iisipan yung 2,800. Di ba? Matagal ka nang na ng 2,800. Nagagasto mo lang. Samantala dito, negosyo yung papasukin mo. Alright, so retail commission dito, bawat taong may nabebentahan. Okay, bawat tao na bumibili ng product doon sa link mo, babayaran ka ng 50% ng company. Okay, retail commission up to 10th level dips din po yan. Okay, influencer bonus yan. Pag nakahanap ka ng mga tao na gustong magbenta ng maramihang produkto, well, kikita ka din po doon. Alright, the diamond bonus pool, ito po yung pinaka-last. Ay second to the last na kitaan dito kay Livegood. You can earn 2% of the total sales from all members and product sales is divided equally among all diamond rank affiliates and as paid with monthly commission. So, ibig sabihin, sa lahat ng parties na makapanood po ng video to, so, ibig sabihin, pag nag-diamond rank ka, kung magkano yung sales ng company in the whole month, 2% doon kukunin, ipamimigay doon sa diamond rank. So, I give you some example. Kumita ng company ng $9 million. Yung 2% dyan is $180,000. Kung 30 kayo na diamond, nagati-hati, mayroon kayong tag $6,000. 6,000 times 56. That is almost mga nasa ano yan, 330 or 340,000 in each month. Wow! Saan ka makahanap ng halagang 2,800, pwede ka kumita ng ganun kalaki. Kaya kung napapanood mo po itong video to, huwag ka na magdalawang isip. Subukan mo na, baka ito na yung blessing o ito na yung solusyon na matagal mo nang hinahanap. Alright, Crown Diamond is the last. Okay, 5% of total sales from all members and product sales is divided equally among all Crown Diamond rank affiliates and is paid with monthly commission. So 5% pa din ng total sales sa company ipamimigay doon sa lahat ng Diamond rank o Crown Diamond. So as of now, we have 2 Crown Diamond. Grabe, ang laking pera yan. 5%, 0.5% ng total sales ipamimigay sa kanila. Grabe, sobrang laki niyan. Okay, sa halagang 2,800. Okay, tapos i-maintain mo na lang yung subscription mo. Well, kikita ka na doon ka ng ganun kalaki. Alright, ito na po yung mga earners natin. We have Tim Miller, 300k club. Yan. Actually, hindi po yan 300k ngayon. Nasa 550,000 na po yan around. I don't know this coming month. Siguro nasa 700,000 US dollar na po yan. 130 club, 90 club, 80 club, 35k club. At saka walang iba yung ating mga top leaders from the Philippines. Ang ating coach, yan, Coach Fernan, 400k club. Ayan, grabe ano. 25k club, 25k club. Okay? Yan po ang iba. Okay, yan po yung most of kumikita dito kay Live Good. So wala pa po dyan yung ibang kumikita under sa team nila. Kasama na po ako doon. Hindi ko lang po ibabanggit yung kinikita ko dito kay Live Good. Diba? Pero nasa malapit-lapit na tayo 5K, di ba? Kahit pa paano, sa pagsisimula, I'm almost magti 3 months, magpo 4 months pa lang po tayo dito kay Live Good. Alright? So, sa lahat po ng mga partners na nandito, di ba, ito po yung top reason to join Live Good. We just officially launched globally. Okay? We have the highest and very affordable health products. Okay? We have the marketing system and tools. Simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. So, who are you in? Okay, sino ka dyan? Are you A, B, or C? I want to become affiliate member. I want to become a member. I want to become a retail customer. So, yan. Tapos na po tayo sa ating presentation. Balikan nyo po yung taong nag-send sa inyo ng link na to. Okay, nag-send sa inyo ng video to. Tapos, pag-usapan nyo kung paano ka magsisimula dito kay Live Good para mag-guide ka step by step. So, by the way, this is your Coach Trex. Maraming salamat. Okay, sa pagsubaybay at pakikinig hanggang sa dulo. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. Bye-bye. God bless.